Him just come and gift me. I'm a block him. I tell him suck your mama and block him. So Natalie, she over there shoot down. Well, get moderator. No, me know what she did talk about. So everybody live you go pay you get moderator. Me and one girl you could give and get moderator. I make she shoot out the whole her kind them and then me chat and laugh with she. Me screenshot the whole you give them when you send me and send go give she. Me have a message them. I laugh off of you. I say yeah, she take her money. Pay her laugh off of you. After me over there, I say alright, me I broke 6 now, you know. Because I send 2 intercept upon the door. But when you look, the bitch send 1 lion. The girl send a lion and kill the pints go 90,000. Them the time them Marvin there 50,000. So I say alright, cool. I don't like to show and prove points. So I'm gonna recharge 3 to 4 units. I'm gonna do it without gloves. Raw, me do that. Approving thing, baby. We got it like that. Approving thing, we just got it like that. Yeah, this company up cool. Natalie only approve up and she not the money. And yeah, use I will never use them credit card. Boy rent money. Can I send up my rent money to man? Yeah, man, I 487 for 1 unit. I send about 4. But could I take my rent money, send man? Yeah, you done.
Yeah! Yeah!
Sweet me, or should I win, I say? Sweet me, or should I win, you say? Ocha. Suck your mother, girl. I will do this raw, a cappella. No gloves, no speed. 195k raw for your head. USD. Raw for your head. USD. Ring up your mother. Before we go and get the party, you can't get no talk over. Me not try. Me size up. 6 broke. Me size up. Me never try. Me never try. Me size up. Me size up. Never try. And then you want to come play again. Go suck your mama. Maybe not play no with you guys. Suck your mama, girl. Natalia come like another teenagers. Everywhere we clock the shit there. Should I leave my number? I leave my number? I leave my number? Ring it, and ring it for WhatsApp too. Check it down and ring it. Everybody take down our number and go ring it. Write in our comments. Me not clear if they ever tell you. Ring our number. Ring it on WhatsApp too. Ring it. And you take it down and ring it on WhatsApp too. That's not our business number, that's a fair number now. We're not care for that. Ring it on WhatsApp. See if you can call it on WhatsApp and call her normal and call it on WhatsApp. Alright, I'm gonna block you. Suck your mama, suck your mama. Me not clear if she not leak mine, me I leak hers. Ring it, see every time ring it on WhatsApp. Ring out our blood clot. See every time ring it on WhatsApp. WhatsApp call, WhatsApp call, WhatsApp call. See another one, yeah? Another one there. Another one there. Oh, yeah. Put up this one there. Oh, she post my number. She not my personal number. Only number she ever with upon OF. She not my personal number. Me I put up her next one. Hold on. Me have only for them. You think me I either figure she my real number? She not my real. Any number she have a OF number that way everybody get. Hold on. Now where the cover then? Why put the cover, Papa? Them people. One year, wait, me put up two of them. If I next one. Hold on. See next one, you're feeling cream. Call him down. Girl, you can't put up no number for me. Their number that upon OF, baby. A OF number that. OF number. She don't have my real phone number. OF number. That number that upon me. OF that upon me Twitter. That upon me OF that the oh positive. Let me give. That upon me OF that upon me Twitter. She a fool. Oh, me just get. Alright, oh my phone now ring. Oh my WhatsApp now ring. Even if I turn off airplane mode, oh my WhatsApp now ring. My WhatsApp supposed to ring. You at? You at? I'm gonna take it down because I don't want TikTok black me. I don't want TikTok black me. It's like how she have up my pussy selling number over there. Go over there, go report it now for Go over there, go report her now for what you call that? Information, something like that. In a reporting list. we are all right. She not the same thing again, fool. Go over there now, go report her for what you call that? Yeah, sure no. Wait. She can't get my number, baby. Me not give them the girl my real information. You're a madman. Them the girl they forget my number with it on Twitter. You take me that? That's not my personal number. I'm not stupid. Anybody want my number at the on Twitter? Reporter now, Faith. What the information? Something name. Reporter now, Faith. What the information? Something where you put up? Reporter for Hey, here I go. I'm not gonna give that girl away attention. I first made me sit on ranker overnight. Me say the girl did well. Mama telling you something. You see people like she, baby, popularity in a step and for them name. What she listen, me now go, you know what? Let me change topic. Me now go do this. Me now give no girl no clothes. Remember what's the combo me one time, you know, and have 4,000 people that watch her when she cuss me, you know. After me done answer her, she not fall off, she fall right off. She fall right off. Nobody never remember her back again till she come back and look friend from me 2 nights ago. She fall right off. You know, see her run, the girl literally running on me. Forget back views again. I promise you, I'm gonna give somebody $1,000 for my live. Come! I promise you, I'm gonna give anybody $1,000. By next week, she fall off again. You wanna know why? Because I know Jabba's not answer. I know Jaden not answer. I know Javi not look pan her. And after today, like right now, as me don't talk now, me not look back pan her. Me not even give her 2 weeks. Me give her 3 days.
Yeah.
Me I give her 3 fucking days. Oh, this cool, so. That's it cool? No, sir, hold on. Me give her 3 days.
Papa.
For fall off again. Cause we all know that the girl over there shoot fear. As such she stay. She used to shoot for Gaffier. She not get no moderator. She shoot for Jaden. She not get no moderator. She shoot for Jabba. She not get no moderator. She shoot for Shay. She not get no moderator. I remember she come shoot for me, the Natalia girl, and I don't get the moderator. My screenshot every gift what she sent me and send it go give Shay and laugh and say Shay you not vex with me. I'm just take her gift them. She don't look pan she. Now if you look over that they act the page, she's a moderator over there. I have 5 shield. I can't save me to the money. Hold on, let me check something on my calendar. I come talk about shoot out rent. You're mad man. I can't have my one rent money and take you shoot it out. Girl, go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down and everybody broke like a one. Go sit down. And a TikTok alone pay me go sit down. Go sit down.
Put down. Put down.
Jabba's birthday. I wonder when we can get him. I'm gonna text my man and ask him how much for something. I have one tick. Yeah, I try to come mash up my man and that I try doing a bitch. As she not stop text me, watch her, she text me for my next number. This I when? Tuesday, you still use this number? Sarah? She obsessed with me. And when she text me down, me not answer, me not look on her. And when she text me, I can't big rank. You can't go number 1. Girl, go sit down. Go sit down. Where people them say where them are push your number 1? Where are wait? We can't see them. Where them there? Where them there? Marvin the number 6 with 200k. Babe the number 3 with 200 and odd k. Should have done this with 100k. What more? What more? You don't have no army over here. You have supporters over here. You have team over here. You can bully nobody over here. You can shoot out your kinds more than nobody over here. You know, I just come on my grandkids. But they a long time. Go sit down. Show you that's a go beard. Go beard. Go sit down. I just come. Have respect to the elders. But they are before you. Alright. Alright, we'll go and pick out throw some of them garbage. But brother, it's not surprising. I'm not telling you. Why first thing I say when mama come, I say I not give you the clothes and I clothe you. I'm not a friend from me. I don't know why I never run out of my page. Hey, get out on the playtime. Excuse.
What? Mommy. Yeah.
This is not playtime. I'm fixing your thing. Let me soft now. That's
Mommy.
Let me can't use you. Excuse, go over. What did I just say? Yeah, let me have a shirt off for you. Yeah. And the can you blood. Stop rub with me. Richard for coming no capping on me dog daddy. Bombo club, I can play the song yeah. Richard for coming no capping on me dog daddy. What?
I read them.
Guys, how much at 300k? Let me see. Oh, 300,000. How much in American money? Let me see.
What?
300k. How much money? 2k? Okay. Alright. Yeah, okay, we pass 1,000 again. Go sit down, go bed. Go bed. Where remote them? I want it on the TV. Remember we not have to sit down in a bed for play match. Some girl can move around, move around. Some girl can move around, move around. We not sit down and show head alone. Move around. Them they gotta live with them parents. We not say a parents them live with. I want to take man, I want to live with parents. Go sit down. We don't want man in our own on the auntie. I want to live with parents. I want a big woman and a big man. Go learn to wash your poke. Go spend rent money. Get how much of my rent for evil and size up, but spend rent money. You know how much of my rent? My rent can start your life. Can you don't ever pay that? It's a good investment that for you. My rent is a good investment money for you. The amount of thing you can use the money to invest in it. Go sit down, don't size up.
Explore your story. Car takes a corner?
Ooh, this is a rental. All they just pay for car rentals. Those savings go straight to you.
I was sing Richard for coming the capping on me dog. I will sing that song there. What that song the name? Who sing Richard Fuck? Jack Queen. We not give them the girl no hype after today. We done with she. Come, I don't know for them that hype they done in a 3 business days. Cause she think RT has stay with girl go sit down. Notice how RT tell the people them come give you now come. Hey, come down and Maya drop. Where's song name? Where's song name, guys? I be different. Choppy Gospel. Oh, I even sing that song, yeah. I love that song there. If you know where you come from last night, you beg your legs till you're weak. I could have stood up on TikTok and beg, so you know. Yeah, they say a while ago when I say my smoke gone, I say, babes, look at boy now. Later, I'm gone. I can't do like when I sit down beg your one galaxy. Guys, make it one galaxy now, guys. Any rose? No, man, no, I beg you to make it sound good. You have to beg and make it sound good. Sit. I can't buck my house because I live in a mini mansion. Some girl can't do this. Rich for Camino, capping on my dog. No, the game that me I do it from me heart and me never have everything dog. Preacher for coming and capping on my dog and let me live in that finally. No, they give me and do it from me heart and me never gonna make me have everything dog. Everything dog. Them the girl look like when cocky skin over and they look so healthy. Them the girl look like infection cocky when the skin over. It have a breakout. And when I talk about human cocky, we are talking about some donkey cocky. Richard fuck I'm in, I'm shopping on the dog. I'm living on the father. No, they give me a beat from me out of it. But me, everything down. Shopping on the daddy, living on the fatherly. No, they give me a deed for me out of the devil. Everything dog, everything dog, everything dog, everything dog. Capping on me dog, I'm gonna live living on the fatherly. No, they give me a deed for me, I mean never. Why? You see that? Don't be ungrateful in life, you know?
Hotel.com introduces Save Your Way. Choose how you save. Take it.
Yay!
Save Your Way. It's exactly what it sounds like.
I see I got school Monday and so.
Only at Hotels.com. Hotels.com. It's all in the name.
Yeah, I got school Monday.
$5, $7, and $9 lunch boxes.
So you gotta wake up. You have to go to your bed early Sunday.
What makes this house red?
Pat? Try Taco Bell's 5, 7, and
Oh God, I love that song you have to play this. Da-di-da-da. It's like da-da-da-da-da-di-da-da. Da-di-da-da-da. Strawberry, I'm still a fight. On the way for clear my mind after bill of vibes. I know me. Da di da da. It's like da 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 di da da di da da. The biggie guys. No sir. We lift me higher. Give me a lighter. Bitches on my phone, honey, she only need a long word. I'm trust these bitches on my phone. I know I'm in the know I can't just somebody be on me. Feel I ask for my heart. I run very key on my love. I keep that up all night. What's it called? Turn around, give me energy to be not fight for. Lulu. say they make big bumps. Make the rest be funds. We got money, better yet we got guns. Sticking away, better yet we want guns. Say and no shot gun. One vacation and we go fuck up them funds. Make them like, me not still a wait for calm. Trinidad girl call. A regular make world class ball. Killer them make soul guns hard. Being found short up a hot swag. Chucky run grass like Johnny Walker. Sticking away mad like John Carter. Contract killer but you want contractor. Hot blacker than tar. Two girls holding your hand up far. And I just kill them then find that car. Which long time in a rap car. The run far. Look. Chucky run dead like Johnny Wanda. Yeah, do you second one? When the K bust down, brand new vessel come with drum. Me just learned that it a go sweat in the Ziploc bag and spoil fast. Yeah, me not put it there. Pussy them love stop, then I find. We got money, better yet we got guns. Sticking on my head, better yet we want guns. Say I'm on it and we got guns. When I get it, and we go cover them fun. Put a band back there, make it blow like. If your fridge don't got 2 doors, baby girl, you will live out of heaven. Them don't even have a fridge. At high school, I miss them by. This will go for the people that we have 2 fridges. And I want to be a drop one pan, guys. And somebody specific me a drop it pan. And somebody specific me a drop it pan, not Uno. Somebody specific.
Untamable Frizz, Forget the Flag. New Everclear Sleep by L'Oreal Paris. Alongside routine, formulated with sleep care complex with alpha acids. For humidity.
May I have them fine carrots here. Oh, that song, I love it. Y'all good. Oh shit. I put this in a row. Eyes, come let me see you. Where you do? Me need to see you come. I soon gonna tour me. Grocery me buy. Worry about a bitch, I never knew that. Yeah, man. Jake one, me love you, Messi. You worry about a bitch, I never eat that.
Mommy, tell mommy.
What? What you do, baby? When do baby? Tell baby? Tell Lulu, give baby. No, tell Lulu, baby. I know if I knew that you chat for me name and drop on my face. Passing on to dance banks on the plane and I snap on the plane. Bust money now you. Look where me I come from to where me then now. Me have to Lulu, bring baby come. Lulu. Come Lulu, I just want him baby. Me there put them pieces to the puzzle on it. I put it back. That's Louis. That's Louis, baby. That's Louis, baby. Go on for your baby. That's Louis, baby. Guys will have egg. By the house, I still not living on it. I still have this in the fridge. Can you believe? No charging. Excuse me. I just see a more billion killer. See a more better than we get a switch up. Uno mouth one chicken. Mouth I tell them style me. Say me are the worst them style me as crosses. Now what they big. Drip through the wall. I supposed to feel like a big pussy hole. Guys, put it in a Ziploc bag or no. Me don't want the crumbs off it jump off in a me. No, put it in a Ziploc. No, but it'll go drop off all of the crumbs. I just see a more billion kill you. See a more rest of them with you gotta switch up. No charging. Alright, over here so now. Come over here so. With the over here so now.
bonus cash. Hurry in.
Over here so. That's why I never want to buy no butter car. Look how much butter me have. Me couldn't buy no more butter. And my butter them brand new. Cool butter. Could I want more butter? Oh, one thing we want you for understood. When girl good, girl good. We have tuna. What is that? Maybe them stay at the front because I'm going to put me The cheese them in our fridge. One thing I want you to understood. When girl good. One pound. When girl good. Yeah. One thing more wanna be understood. When tongue good. I want a blood clot this. No sir. Me not laugh. I want me a sing set. When girl good. She know I'm proud. When girl good. Come in a minute. Wait, ice. I want me a sing set. Bubble up now. Ride it, girl. Bubble up now. Push it in down up in the bubble. What's a lusto? Girl, we're so coffee. Says she a bad freak. Suck and spit. We have the ways like Now if I get to my face, me not suck and spit. Man still a suck with clit. Yes sir. She make it bright in the get her. She fucking intellectual. Me love every man, but me have a type of prefer, Jabe. Pretty cute face, I feel love that. Ride it. Bubble up now. You push it in, girl, up in a me bumbo. What's that? It's up, girl, open up your. Real bad, she and I get sometimes, so we do it for the morning. I told me look like a Barbie. Shot to fly to your forehead. Come here, do it all night. Yes. Stepping at the club and every man are going bad. My man never if I back. Guys, me think me have 5. Big bumper. Pretty cute face, I feel love that. Ride it. Bubble up now. Push it in now, up in your bum bum. Ow. I guess only 4 can. tomorrow. She had to wait all day, all day, all day. No.
Feeling overwhelmed by design changes? Visualize as you design. Explore Inscape.
Partners.com, we go above and beyond to make renting easier on every single level. Neighborhood level, unit level, down to the cellular level. Partners.com, the place, to find a place.
Basic funny tour road. Basic funny tour road. Hey, don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. Basic funny tour and it can't stop. I when you leave back past that, I should step in at it, gas start snap. Ice, leave the monies alone. I will know your punk come, I will shot pussy hole for you go get Ciara. She walk fuck with a star, me bustin' her face, so calm with mascara. Bang. Me and Mary, and Zaza. Like my last name, a Palmer. Got none, love lesbian girls, but when I fuck like hold up, man. That's my night. No, that night hear you. When I made up can't pay you. That chick like an affair you. Got none, here go. Stiff breast, that is just for the contact. Gas skin out the pussy, maybe fuck it from back.